Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a link in card. This is a super useful feature when you want to direct visitors from your card site to another web page, whether that's your social media, a product page, or any other external resource. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to card.co. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you've got your username and password ready so you can access your account quickly. After logging in, look to the upper right panel of your screen. Here, you'll see an option that says New Site with a plus icon. Click on that to create a new site. Alternatively, if you already have a site set up that you want to work with, you can simply select and edit your existing site instead. Next, you'll be presented with different template options. Navigate to blank page and click Select. This gives you a clean slate to work with, which is perfect for adding custom elements like links without any pre-existing design getting in the way. Now, in the upper right corner of your screen, you'll notice a plus button. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Links. This is where you'll start building the clickable link element that will appear on your site. Once you've added the link element, head over to the left panel where you'll see various customization options. Click on Link to enable a drop-down menu. This is where you can configure what your link will say and where it will lead. In the field provided, type your preferred label for the link. For example, you might type Google if you're linking to Google's homepage. This label is what visitors will see and click on, so make it clear and relevant to where the link goes. Now, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the web page you want to link to. Once you're there, copy the URL from the address bar. This is the destination where users will be taken when they click your link. Go back to the card editor and paste that copied URL into the URL field. After you've pasted it, click Done to save your changes. Your link is now configured and ready to be published. In the upper right panel, click the Publish this site button. This will initiate the publishing process so your site can go live with the new link. A dialog box will appear asking you to enter a title and description for your site. Fill in these fields with relevant information that describes your site's purpose or content. Scroll down and you'll see a section labeled Name beside .card.co. In the field provided, type your preferred URL name. This will be the custom address where people can find your site online. Once you've entered your desired URL name, click Publish. This finalizes the process and makes your site live on the web. After publishing, click View Site to see your newly published page. Finally, click on the link button you created earlier to test it and make sure it directs visitors to the correct web page. And that's it. You've successfully added a functional link to your card site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.